Python 3.14 benchmarked. The GIL is no longer the limit. For years, Python's global interpreter lock, GIL, has been a known bottleneck for true parallelism.
With the architectural shifts in Python 3.14, that narrative is changing. Our in-depth technical analysis provides a comprehensive benchmark of version 3.14 versus 3.12, showcasing the real-world impact of the faster CPython initiative. We dive into
Hard data on performance gains for web servers, FastAPI Django, the dramatic speedup for CPU-bound data processing, practical code examples for leveraging the new sub-interpreters, a step-by-step guide to safely upgrading your production environment.
Is the upgrade worth it for your team? Explore the data and decide.
NexTechie, exploring the edge of innovation.